Hi, Tom from Renegade Financial here. Do you want to learn to make money online by starting your own business and have no idea where to start? Or are you like me? You have taken several courses and wasted hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Let me tell you about this course I have found that has been a game changer for me. It is not a get-rich-quick scam like many of the offers you will see online. This course is hard work, but it will teach you how to market anything you choose, how to build an email list, and use it to create a business that will help you have the freedom to do what you want when you want. You can choose to go through the course for a minimal fee, or you can upgrade as I did and receive daily coaching to make sure you understand what you are learning. If you get advanced coaching, you will have all the systems built for you. This system can be used with any business, even a brick and mortar business. People pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for a college education only to find themselves in debt. This program costs a fraction of a college degree and will allow you to have an income while you learn. These are skills you will need for the future of the new economy. You will be able to market any product at any time, anywhere in the world if you so choose. Worried about wasting your hard-earned money? Don't fear, there is a 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not happy, not only will they refund your money, you will receive an additional $100 to compensate you for your time. Don't get left behind. Click the link in the description below to get started today. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. In the future, I will be sharing more information to help you start and promote your own online business.